Pickle DIYs. Duh. Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Pickle DIYs. And today I have a very special guest with me. The guest is my sister, Melodious Panda. Hi.
It's me.
It's me.
Melodious Panda. Check out my vids. I'm Melodious Panda on
That's
YouTube.
sort of obvious. Okay, so
What are we going to be doing today?
So today we're going to be teaching you how to make paper squishies.
What are those?
They're sort of like, they're also squishies that you can make by yourself.
Are they very slow rising?
Sort of. Depends on if you make them good. And,
Are they mostly for decorative use? Decorative uses?
Yeah. And they need like, well, from the name, you already probably know that you're gonna need lots of paper, just not that much. And you won't be needing puffy paint or memory foam or all the other stuff that you usually use to make squishies.
Cool. Let's start.
Squishies.
Are these the supplies we'll be needing?
Yeah. So you will be needing, I don't know if you can see my hand. Yeah, you can. Okay. So you will be needing scissors. We have 2 pairs. Markers or Sharpies.
What about these?
Oh, right, I forgot.
We'll be needing these too.
Plastic
Bags, grocery bags, not Ziploc bags or anything like that.
Like grocery bags, yeah. Also markers or Sharpies. We chose Sharpies and tape. And also definitely paper because, well,
They're paper squishies. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. So the first step, well, Pickle DIY said, Pickle DIY said to do is take a paper. Yeah.
take a paper and fold it in half. This might look like regular size, but we already folded them because when I was setting up, I just did. And so
People in school might call it hamburger style. I don't know if you've been, I don't know. People said hamburger in our school, so.
You just fold it in half like the short way.
Fold it the short way and not the long way, which is called hot dog.
Apparently called
Yep,
hot dog.
so fold it that way.
Yeah.
And now you can just draw your design.
Yeah, just like draw your shape and then, yeah, like we're doing right now. So like so.
Oh, pro tip. If you draw a square shape or a shape with straight edges and right angles, it is a lot easier to tape up. I actually think I'll just be making a pillow with my Melodious Panda logo on top, so I won't be cutting out a shape at all. And you will see why after we start making it. It will make perfect sense.
Oh, yeah.
But make sure you keep this edge. If you were to draw a rectangle, you would just do this and then this. But you have to make sure that you have this edge.
Yeah, you have to make sure
So,
that
yeah.
it's not like on the flappy side. You have to make it on the crease so that it'll actually
Work out. All right, I'm just going to erase the rectangle that I drew, and we are going to show you how to make it.
yeah. In the next clip.
So you have your desired shape, say just a rectangle here. You would simply take your scissor and cut out along the edges that you drew, which obviously we're not going to do because we're just going to be making pillow. And if you want a perfect rectangle, I suggest you do the same. So yeah, let's go.
Okay, so what you basically do is you draw your stuff and you just colored in. You can also use colored pencil, but we just chose Sharpies because we like Sharpies. And yeah, so we are just finishing up.
So here are our finished designs. And Pickle, do you want to show yours first?
Okay, sure. So mine is just like on the front, you can see I just drew the pickle over here and the words Pickle DIYs.
It looks kind of like a cactus to me. I just realized that. Sorry.
Oh no, I did it backwards.
That's okay.
I know. So, wait. Yes, I did. Okay, so, and on the back I drew like pickle, and then a pickle, a teeny one. And for DIYs, I drew like scissors and a cut. I've also have scissors.
I finished earlier because my design is very simple. It's just my panda. It's just my panda and Melodious Panda, and then
music notes.
Did I do it?
No, you did it regular.
No, I didn't.
What happened?
I think we flipped it over the wrong way. Anyway, and I have Melodious Panda on the back. Not very creative, so I finished earlier, obviously. I saw her doing that. I'm like, that's cute. Anyway, now we are going to make it.
Like the actual thing.
Squishy-like.
That took surprisingly long.
Yeah, okay, bye. For
now. See you in the next clip, I guess. Okay, so what we're doing now is we just take the tape, and we just tape all of the edges of your paper squishy, except for one of them. Preferably like a smaller one if you're making a square, because that's easier to stick the stuffing in and keep it in. So yeah, and once we're done taping the edges, we'll just explain the next step after that. Bye for now. So basically what you're gonna do is take your tape and tape up all the sides except for one. And I recommend having that side that you don't tape up being a short side.
Yee.
So, okay. So once we're done with the taping process and the coloring process,
you should have left one side open if you listen to the directions.
yeah, and I don't even.
I prefer opening a shorter side if I'm going to do a rectangular thing like this.
Because it keeps it. You can actually it's easier to stuff the stuffing. And keep the stuffing in. So yeah, we both kept open shorter sides. And yeah. And we just now
I'll show you the stuffing. It's
we're
super
just gonna-
high tech. That did not go how I wanted it to go. Grocery bags! Yay!
Yay! The world-saving grocery bags.
Alright, let's go.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your plastic bag and cut it up and stick it inside your thing. Okay, so once you're done with this thing, you're just supposed to take your tape again and you're supposed to tape up the open edge. It's okay if you missed a couple spots because you can just tape them again. Okay. So yeah.
It's me, Melodious Panda, and I'm talking because Pickle didn't feel the need to do a voiceover for this. Okay, it's ending now. Bye. We're done.
Yeah, we're done. Yay! Give a round of applause.
Yay, she said, not sounding enthusiastic at all.
Okay, so here's our finished result. This is by far the best paper squishy I've made. Oh, she'll be doing a paper squishy collection sooner or later, so make sure to keep an eye out for that. Yeah.
Mauve. I gotta do mine. No. Here's mine. It says Melodious Panda. If I flip it over, it says Melodious Panda again.
Hey.
Yay.
Mine says Pickle DIYs, and if I flip it over, it says Pickle DIYs again. With a pair of scissors and a pickle. Sorry, did you see that? Yeah. Okay.
Silence.
Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope that if you made a paper squishy that it was pretty good. Or very good. Or good.
So, Pickle DIYs, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Check out my channel. Bye.
Bye.